G'day adventurers. Hey, still got the ideas, but not sure of the gear? As you probably know, Mean Mother is well known for its recovery gear. Now today we're going to break it all down for you. And what I got here today is the 8-piece premium recovery kit. What's included? We have our snatch strap, our winch extension, heavy duty tree trunk protector. We have a heavy duty snatch block, heavy duty bow shackles, heavy duty leather gloves, all in our heavy duty storage bag. Now the important part, all of our straps are manufactured with 100% treated nylon reinforced webbing. Also, heavy duty reinforced eyelets to prolong operational life. Now with an elongation of up to 20%, this gives you the kinetic energy you need for a really successful recovery and confidence in a product that you can rely on. The Mean Mother 8-piece recovery kits come in an 8-ton variant for smaller four drives and an 11-ton variant for your larger four drives. And on top of that, it also comes in a premium for wherever your imagination goes. We've also got our 5-piece recovery kits, which come in 8-ton and 11-ton. Now these have a snatch strap, bow shackles, leather glove, and the handy storage bag for your entry-level options. Along with our recovery kits, we have an extensive range of recovery gear, from recovery hitches to soft shackles, snatch rings, and more. So for more information and to check out the full range, head on down to your favourite Mean Mother dealer or meanmother.com.au, and remember, we won't let you down.